Rupsing Teron, member of Legislative Assembly of Assam, inspected a site for the construction of Memorial Park to honor and remember those brave hearts who had made their supreme sacrifice during a conflict in the year 2000. On 19 July, during the observation of 22nd death anniversary of 6 brave hearts who had lost their lives during a conflict, Rupsing Teron, MLA of Assam, had attended the event at Theso Ronghang village. He was accompanied by Rupsing Teron, former VDC chairman of Kopili. The names of 6 brave hearts who was murdered during the 2000 conflict are Theso Ronghang, Theso Ronghang, Longki Be, Babu Ronghang, Ganeswar Ronghang, Babu Singh Ronghang. MLA Rupsing Teron mourned the incident and pays his tribute and honor their sacrifices. MLA Rupsing Teron, while speaking to us, informed that the family of the victims would be compensated with an amount of ₹5 lakhs once the official procedures are completed. He also informed that ₹10 lakhs had been allotted for the construction of memorial statue at Theso Ronghang village.
Trong miền Phan Bệ làm tụng cái thác các việc phản ta vì tụng ăn làm phản ta cho đông lắm, akan phong trào thác cái phụ cái tụng cọp làm thì cái một phi an tạt so ang long rồi bằng cái tụng bây giờ năng cọp sẽ làm phản ta cho đông, akan sẽ là so memorial park, anh sẽ nên căn vangแต่ชุกมูวิธีphản ta tim sia sia memorial park so ni tụng cái phi mà sẽ chừng vậy rồi sẽ so phản ta là sẽ nên đi local area aphan persi dang non ko ke chenga ko ke lak ke me le pipo pa long le ta do lo no lang sar lo ase non praving pen phan son sun ni tung le pen kam ke cheng pan le bori pon po pasi pin lak dang ni pikang
Mohan Teron's report from Kironi for Carbing Long Life.